In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily download any song on your phone step by step in the easiest way possible. Guys, first of all, open up any browser on your phone. You can use Chrome, Safari, or anyone that you want. Now you would have to search for there are many platforms that you can use to download songs. One of them is Pixabay. I would simply search for Pixabay. After that, I would tap on the first website. Now on the top, I would be able to find a lot of options. So as I want to download songs, so I would simply tap on music. Now once you're on this page, you would be able to find a lot of different royalty free musics that you can use like these. Now you can play any one of these songs, and the one that you like you can simply download by tapping on this download option next to that song, and it would start downloading. Now you can choose where you want to save it. I would save it in files, then hit save, and it would be downloaded to your phone. And once it is downloaded, it's still downloading. Now once it is downloaded, you will simply have to tap on open in files, and then tap on open in downloads, and you would be able to see that song. Now you can send it to anyone, and you can play it, or you can use it wherever you want. I hope this helped you out. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and make sure to press that bell icon so you never miss out on a new tutorial. Thanks for watching.